Larry Johnson and Latrell Sprewell were at this game. There were 9 former New York Knicks players in the audience for this one. It seems like the Knicks are trying to do some damage control after that disaster with Charles Oakley. The last home game they had, Kawhi Leonard, hook shot in the lane. Tony Parker coming off the screen to Leonard, who slashes and throws down another one. Nobody bothers to jump. And now we're getting flashes of the old MVP Derrick Rose working on Kawhi Leonard. All these dance moves, Kawhi was nowhere to be found on that layup attempt. Give that guy a map. Where are you going? Knicks playing some great basketball in this one. Carmelo with the splash. Maybe they're playing like this because of those former Knicks in the audience. If that's the case, then they need to do this every home game. Wouldn't that be something if the Knicks are balling like this every night? Porzingis, nothing but net. Kawhi Leonard pulls out the hop step cheese on this one. Fade away in the lane. It's a tight game in the third quarter. Kawhi again gets into the paint, pump fake, passes it off to Ginobili, who finishes with his offhand. This game is for the taking. Which team is going to get the momentum and win this one? All these moves from Porzingis, banking it off the glass, fade away in the post. Now LaMarcus Aldridge is going to do a little running hook shot, looking like Tim Duncan a little bit. It's crunch time. Who's going to make a mistake? It's Derrick Rose, a lazy pass, stolen by Patty Mills, and then it's taken right back by Courtney Lee, and Carmelo does it again. Another splash from the same spot. Spike Lee is loving it. Down by 4, Kawhi gets Melo to slip, hits the fadeaway. He got him leaning. Knicks up by 4. They can ice the game right here. They can deliver a dagger. It's Melo from mid-range. The Knicks play a great game and take down the San Antonio Spurs. Spike Lee loving it, wearing that Charles Oakley jersey. Durant gets fouled, and then he gets into it with another former teammate. He's headbutting. Look at this. Westbrook steps in between. The refs step in between. They're still talking trash. Oh my goodness, this isn't even a playoff matchup yet. And it wasn't even that hard of a foul. They were just jumping straight up.